If you want to call weed eating, don't call it weed eating, call it weed trimming.
AllCoastLawncare.
All right, just got done at one of my customer's house. My fourth time doing it. Actually, it's like my second time seeing him also because he's never here. But he looked at the back when I was like out there back, and I go, hey, how you doing, sir? Well, hey, did you string trim? Yes, sir, I did. Oh, what about all that by the shed? Oh, sir, I can't touch like right underneath the siding, sir. I could damage it. Goes, oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. You know. So it's important, y'all, when you're giving a quote, when you're telling them mowing, edging, and string trim. I say string trim, I don't say weed eat, because he said, yeah, he even asked that, did you weed eat? I go, oh no, sir, I string trim. So I say string trimming because I trim. I trim along the fence and the house, all right, and the shed. All right, I don't weed eat. I'm not eating it up. I'm not string disappearing, weed disappearing. I am string trimming. I am trimming along the house and the fence. The reason why I'm trimming is because I'm trimming enough to get enough away from the fence and the house. If you go too close to the house, the siding, you're gonna damage it, and then you end up repairing your siding. If you start flicking the fence at the bottom with your string trimmer and the fence is real old, you're gonna start ripping it. It's gonna start, the wood is gonna start chipping. Trust me, y'all. Especially these vinyl siding fences. If you get too close, you whip it, you're gonna crack it. Guess what? If customer tells you you gotta pay for it, hey, the right thing to do is pay for it because you damage your property. So string trim enough, all right, close enough to get, you know what I mean, the what do you call it, the overgrowth, all right. Don't get that close to it, okay? All right, get like at least about that close to it, all right? You're string trimming, all right? String trimming. You're not string disappearing. You're not weed disappearing. You're string trimming. All right? If you want to call weed eating, don't call it weed eating. Call it weed trimming. You're trimming it, all right? You're not making it disappear, okay? Because if you want to make it disappear, you're going to have to end up getting underneath and pulling all those clippings away from the house, all right? So just be careful, man. Don't damage your siding. Hey, hope this helps. Bye.